Alright, this is going to be a video of the 52-inch Halsey ceiling fan in my aunt's house. The same aunt that has the Mink Air Allumawettes. This one is original to the house. There was originally a twin one in the bedroom right next to this one, which is now an office by the way, that had unpainted blades and it had oak with stencil blades. And it was pretty much just like the other one, except of course you can see this one was painted white and the blades are chipping as you can see the paint. But enough talking, I'll go ahead and demonstrate it with on. So we'll start with low first. That sound you're hearing is the screws for the blade arms have sort of came loose. I haven't really bothered to fix it because this fan is never really used, so I didn't really bother to fix it, but someday I'm sure I will. I just keep forgetting. Alright, let's go to medium. Definitely for a generic looking fan, it's got a pretty good motor in it. I mean, definitely on high it flies, for sure. I'll just show you what I mean. Now, oddly enough, they painted the top side of the blades also white. As you can see, it's clearly white on the other side. I don't really understand why they did that, but they did, so oh well. So that is the 52-inch Halsey Hugger ceiling fan. Thank you for watching.